Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new trade-in that just came in. This is a 2020 Sea Ray SPX 190. Beautiful boat here. We have the classic Sea Ray blue exterior. This boat also comes with the trailer shown here. This is a painted trailer and it does have a swing back tongue. And if you look up here at the top, this does have the sports tower. So if you want to do some wakeboarding, that's going to be a good tow point. Swim platform back here, nice area to move about. We also have another tow point back here as well, and this is powered by a 200 Mercruiser. This is a great day boat for your friends and family. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.